Hey woodcutters, TopSaw here. I just got these new 20 volt 6 amp hour batteries. They're a kind of an off brand that you could use with DeWalt tools. And in this video, I'm going to go over how these things work, how they hold up. Are they comparable to DeWalt? Are they even worth the money? In addition, I also have the 20 volt to 18 volt adapter and how that works. So I got these on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. I got two 6 amp 20 volt batteries and a single 20 volt to 18 volt converter. On the back of them, they have the battery charge, just like the DeWalts do. And as you can see right here, I got a ton of these DeWalt drills and all sorts of different battery pack size. It's a high school wood shop, so we have a lot of drills. I don't really want to get rid of any of them. And have a consistent battery type. But the other side of it too is if there's not some sort of system, it's really hard to figure out what we got. This adapter works pretty well. It just slides into the 18 volt like that. It'll still sit up. It's probably about the same weight. Here are my two chargers. So the 18 volt charger charges the DeWalt fine. And then here's a DeWalt on the 20 volt charger. Charges that fine. Or you could take the off-brand lithium ion one. Charges just fine in the DeWalt charger. No problems at all with that. And also will charge with the adapter in the 18 volt charger. So you could still charge it either way with either one of them. Really no difference. I haven't noticed any difference at all so far in using this off-brand with the adapter or this off-brand directly into the 20 volt tools. And then the long-term plan is use these as much as possible. When these are all used up, recycle them and replace everything with 20 volts. And then even if I still have those 18 volt tools, every one of my 18 volts, I'll get rid of these batteries and I'll have adapters and only have 20 volt batteries and only have a 20 volt adapter. That's both for myself and also for the high school as well. Here's my angle grinder. This has a DeWalt 20 volt battery on it. This is a 4 amp hour battery here. I did a review on this grinder. I'll put a link to it right here. So that's this grinder here. And then as I swap out this battery, we'll put in the other one. You know, they snap in just fine. They seem to work just fine. I actually have a concrete walk that's split. You know, so there's a lip in the concrete and I want to grind it flat and grind it down quite a bit and see how this battery holds up. It'll probably take quite a few charges. So let me change out this cutting wheel to a concrete grinding wheel and then go out and grind for a while on both the DeWalt 20 volt battery and then the off-brand 20 volt battery and see how it holds up. This battery seems to be holding up great. A couple of charges on it so far and it seems to be doing the trick. No problems. It seems to hold up the same and work the same. All right, woodcutters, quite a few weeks have gone by since I first got these off-brand lithium ion 20 volt batteries. I really like them a lot. I would give them a 5 out of 5. I've tested them both at home with my DeWalt tools and in the high school wood shop, which is a really good test because the students are hard on them and they've been holding up fine. Now that I've got a couple of them with the adapter, I'm going to get some more of them and start phasing them in. I'm going to keep all my 18 volt tools through that adapter, phase in the 20 volt batteries. And I think I'm going to get this off brand instead of the DeWalt batteries. They seem to work great. So I'm really impressed with them. If you have any thoughts, likes or dislikes of these batteries, please comment below. I think people get a lot out of those comments. I sure like reading them. And if you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. If you like the video, hit like. And that's my overall review of this off-brand lithium ion 6 amp 20 volt battery. It is about 50% more amp hours than these, which means they run about 50% longer in between charges. And I think that's been pretty accurate. So overall, I really like these a lot, and thank you for watching.